What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to continue our mixing series and we're going to talk about sends, okay? So let's get right into it. Sends are very important, okay? Whether you're using it for melodies, drums, or vocals. You can do a lot with sends. Essentially, a send is going to separate the dry and the wet signal on an effect. So, for example, we have reverb send over here. Normally, if you just put reverb on an insert without using a send, it has the wet and dry knob on that one insert. Yeah, you do have knobs to mess with the wet and dry. Like if we pull reverb up, we got dry and wet sliders right here. But it doesn't really let you get full access to that wet channel, okay? We want our insert to be the dry channel and then the send to be the wet channel. That way we have them split up. So we can use a send for that. So go to an empty track, right click it, and then do dock to and choose wherever you want to dock it. That way you just have it in reach and you know it's a send because it's on one of those sides. For example, we're going to route this cymatics sample to this reverb send. We already have it routed to a bus. Now, we don't want to route to this track only on the send. We want it to have a dry signal. The dry signal would be coming from the actual sample going to the master. And then the wet signal would be coming from the sample being leaded to the reverb send, but then we're going to take the dry away. So let me show you what I'm talking about. We'll right click, route to this track, not route to this track only. Go to the reverb send, put on reverb, and then get rid of the dry channel. If we have this, it's just going to duplicate the dry signal and we'll be hearing the dry signal twice. We don't need that. Just drag it down. Now we can mess with the reverb a little bit. We'll play the beat for the context of how the reverb sounds with the beat. Now, if we need to, we can turn some of the reverb down by just moving the send down. You can go into the reverb a little bit more. Let me get rid of some of the decay. See, that sounds really fire. So don't be sleeping on sends. You can use it for any effect, all right? Any effect that has a dry and a wet knob. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.